never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is
And there is the hawk or falcon again. Just as the birds are flying nice, flying high. So now there's two hawks. I did see three. There's three around. So I'm trying to bring the pigeons down. This is the problem in Melbourne. Now these are breeder birds. The two tipplers that are flying are flies, but they've paired up. She's ready to make her second egg. I'm still flying, going up. That Serbian high fly saddle is a breeder. Shooting well, going up. There's another hawk down up that way. There's a couple of other Serbians. Yeah, that's the problem. That's moved up. There's a hawk there going around. Will come back and attack. There's a higher one up there, and there's another one. I got one that's missing, so hopefully that's going to come. Hasn't freaked out, but that's the problem in Melbourne. You want to have one hawk or two, you have three, sometimes different types. Oh yeah. At least these guys are chill, they're relaxed. So they're all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is good. Just flying around.